Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix age restriction on Pinterest. So we'll go to fix this problem. You just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just go down, then you click here on apps and you come to apps window here in this window. We just go waiting here to open with us this window, and we will just go down here to looking for Pinterest app in this window here. Then we click here on Pinterest, then we go to next window here and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK and you just go down, then you click here on storage here and you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Pinterest app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.